Hi guys, sorry I couldn't be there today. Here's the agenda for today. You'll do a warm-up explaining how a distribution would change if you added 30 and if you tripled each value. You're going to submit that warm-up to the same warm-up link that we usually use right down here. You can access these slides in Schoology, and that's where you're going to get all the links from. Our learning objective is here. I want you guys to go ahead and read over that before you get started. The Check Your Understanding, we're going to have a quiz next week on the Check Your Understanding question, so just be ready for that. Once you do the warm-up, you'll watch the AP Daily video. Go ahead and click on this link. It's going to take you directly to College Board. You have to be signed in, but once you're signed in, it usually asks you to verify, and then it takes you directly to the video. Today's video is on normal distributions. We're going to be kind of going back to that and reviewing a little bit. And so it's 5.2 Daily Video 1, the normal distribution revisited. Once you watch that and take notes in your math notebook, we're going to be put into breakout rooms. And the goal is for 3 people to be working in each room. So if there's absences, the sub is just going to sort you guys randomly so that there's enough people in each room. If I'm in group 1 and I click on my link here, it's going to take me to the slides. We're using that same situation we used yesterday. And so when we're on our slides answering these questions, you guys can just type in the boxes to answer these questions here. And you can all work collaboratively. These should all have share and edit permissions. You'll go through some questions here. This slide number 7, big ideas, has some formulas and things like that that might be helpful for you. And then the Check Your Understanding slides, so you guys will complete those and we'll have a quiz on those next week. Do not add standard deviations, just a warning that's in there. So be careful with that. When we're looking at how to calculate these values, we are going to use Staplet. So in a new tab, you'll go to staplet.com. And we're going to click on discrete random variables right here. I have my value and my probability, so I'm going to pull my group data up. My values are 9, 12, and 15. And my probabilities I'm going to pull up are 0.30, 0.45, and 0.25. And the name of my data is hourly wages. And I'm going to click Begin Analysis. I'm going to get a nice graph right here. So we'll have this graph to use, and then I'm going to get some summary statistics for mean and standard deviation. I can screenshot those and I can put them right in here in my graph or on my paper as well. So I've got the mean, standard deviation, and to find the variance, we're going to use what we talked about yesterday. Go back to your notes and look at how you change from the standard deviation to the variance. All right, you're going to do the same thing with this. So again, we're going to Staplet, and then we're using the discrete random variables in Staplet. And I'm going to go ahead and add that as a link on here, just so you guys can access, you can know where we're going. So discrete random variables in Staplet will be the website that you're using, and you'll do that for a few of these, and then explain what is happening to the data and go through this here. All right, once you guys finish your notes and your Check Your Understanding, that's all we have for the day. Just be ready. Next week, we'll be doing a quiz on some of the Check Your Understandings. All right, work together, show your work. Everybody should be working on the slides. And have a great day, you guys.